Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial on the 3 common mistakes some Wado-Ryu practitioners make at the start of Naihanchi Kata. Now, perhaps not everyone would even agree that these 3 things are mistakes. I think they are because I was making these same mistakes myself, and they were corrected by some of the world's top Wado-Ryu masters, including Sensei Tatsuo Suzuki, Sensei Masafumi Shomitsu, and Sensei Yoshihiko Iwasaki. And having performed Naihanchi at the European and World Championships on numerous occasions, I'm pretty sure I have it right. Now, I won't explain today why these are mistakes. I'll save that for my upcoming Naihanchi Masterclass. So, what specific movements am I talking about? The first error I'd like to highlight occurs in this slow symbolic opening movement, which ends by turning over the 2 open hands. But lots of folks, when they get to this point in the transition, begin to lift the elbows out too far. You should keep your elbows as close to your body as you can while you turn over your hands. But in doing so, be careful not to bend the wrists. The shuto formation of the hands must remain intact during the entire movement. So your elbows may raise a little, but not too much. The next and second of these particular errors is the first cross step. Now, many people don't step across enough and consequently find themselves off balance and can't maintain the play line of the kata. So, try to step across far enough so that the knees align, right knee behind left knee. And when your left foot comes down to the floor, don't place your toes down first or the ball of the foot down first. Be sure to step on the edge of the foot. This is called chidori-ashi. More about this unusual stepping technique at my upcoming Naihanchi Master Class. The third error I want to point out today is the use of the shuto. The shuto must be delivered in a straight line from the side of the chest. It's not a swinging motion. The striking hand should be drawn to the side of the chest just as your right foot is coming into its final position. And then it is shot out like a tsuki, or a thrust. You're striking the opponent with the shuto edge of the hand. So you draw your shuto back to the side of the chest as your foot is coming down, and drop the elbow close to your body, and make sure the weight of your body is behind your strike. So that wraps up the 3 common errors made in the first movements of Naihanchi. Now, I probably could have included another 20 errors just in that opening segment alone. But these 3 are enough to get you to pay attention to the most important details in those opening movements. Naihanchi Kata is possibly the most important kata in Wado-Ryu because it teaches us how to use explosive speed and power at a close range. And as Wado-Ryu practitioners know, the traditional kumites of Wado are almost all performed at a close range. Naihanchi teaches this close range speed and power while also teaching you how to control your balance and avoid being thrown by your opponent. So, if you're interested in learning how you can master this intriguing and very important kata, enroll for my upcoming 3 months to Naihanchi Mastery course. You can learn more about that by clicking the link down below this video. Thanks for joining. and I hope you found this useful in some way. Stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you at the upcoming course.